Hello, I'm teacher Ivan from WUNNA Educational Services. Today we shall be looking at the addition and subtraction of fractions. But before we look at how we add or subtract fractions, please I request that you subscribe to all our channels from WUNNA Educational Services. That is to say, Teacher Ivan's online classes, WUNNA e-learning platform, and the WUNNA Kids platform. Let us look at how we add or subtract fractions. We may have a question that work out part A, 3 over 4 plus 2 over 5. So if we are told to work out this, we can use two methods. One is where we get the LCM. Two is where we just cross multiply. Let me start with where we get the LCM. That is to say, we get LCM of denominators. That is 4 and 5. And that LCM is 20. That is the lowest common multiple of 4 and 5. So that means that our denominator will be 20. Then we get the LCM divided by 4 to give us a 5. Then 5 times 3 to give us 15 plus 20 divided by 5 to give us a 4. Then 4 times 2 to give us 8. So that gives us 15 plus 8 over 20, which is 23 over 20, and this is an improper fraction. Therefore, we can express it as a mixed fraction. So that is 20 goes through 23 once. So it will be 1 and the balance is 3. So you get one whole number 3 over 20. That is one method when we use the LCM. The other method is quite simple, and actually it's what I use when I'm working out mine. So let us look at the simplest method. So when I'm given such a problem to work out, I can decide to use cross multiplication, so that I cross multiply. I'll multiply 3 and 5 plus 4 and 2. Then I multiply the denominators. That is to say, I'll get 3 times 5 plus 4 times 2 over, we now multiply the denominators together. So that is 4 times 5, which will still give me 15 plus 8 over 20, giving us 23 over 20, which is 3 over 20. So that is my easiest way of adding or subtracting fractions. We can still use the same procedures when we are subtracting. Now, That has been working out for proper fractions. But let us look at where we are given improper fractions. So we have 2 and a third plus 1 and 4/5. So the first step when you are given operations concerning mixed fractions, your first step should be we change the mixed fractions to improper fractions. And this is how we shall do it. We shall multiply the denominator times the whole number plus the numerator. That is to say, 2 times 3 plus the numerator 1 over our denominator 3 plus 1 times 5 plus 4 over 5, giving us 6 plus 1 over 3 plus 5 plus 4 over 5, which gives us 7 over 3 plus 9 over 5. Then from here, we can either choose to use LCM or we use the cross multiplication method. I'll use the cross multiplication. So this gives me 3 times 5, which is 15 down. Then I cross multiply. The 5 multiplies 7. I get 35 plus 3 multiplies 9. I get 27. So when I add 35 to 27, that is 62 over 15. When I divide, the multiple of 15 that is near 62 is a 60. And that goes, I multiply 15 times 4 to get 60 that is near 62, meaning that it is 4 and 2 over 15. So that is how we add or subtract fractions. The same way we have done for addition is the very way we do for subtraction. That has been our lesson. We meet next time.